have officially made it to Menton.
Yeah,
So there are 2 Menton stops. We went to the wrong one. There's a Menton stop and then there's a Menton Gavrier or something. That's the one you want to go to.
the one after.
To have like this, which is like I think what everyone sees on vlogs. Menton is influenced by both French and Italian culture, as is the farthest tip of the Riviera right before reaching it. Okay, so we made it to the water and to obviously beautiful Menton in the background. This is 100% worth it, and I feel like coming at night is like high-key better. Like you'll be able to swim if you come in the summer until like probably 9 because it's like around 8.
And everyone's
Look
there.
how pretty it is. Oh my gosh. One of our favorite parts of this trip has been to just hop in the water at any time, as the beach technically doesn't close in any part of the Riviera. Today we're exploring Cannes and Antibes, and we're very excited to see this part. Hi!
Hey.
So now we're in Cannes. We're like a block away from like the beach area with all the resorts and the beach clubs. I say definitely come here for the shopping. I feel like this has been the town that has the most stores. We haven't been to Nice yet. That's like on our last day, so we'll
Updates.
yeah, we'll give you guys an update. But I think shopping wise, this has been the best place.
That's what you want.
If that's what you're into. Of course, the markets though, like there was one literally in Villefranche-sur-Mer where we're staying, and I think there's markets everywhere.
Yeah.
But I think shopping wise,
Name brands if you want. They're all
name
here.
brands, or like if you know French brands, because we know this one jewelry one, those are good. After having breakfast and doing a lot of shopping in Cannes, we decided to head over to Antibes, as we didn't want to do a beach club today and we really wanted to explore both of the towns. Mostly Antibes has a lot of stuff to do. The Picasso Museum is here, and I do think it's bigger than Cannes, and there's other things to do other than just beach clubs and shopping. And we did decide to end our day here at the beach. So we went in for a swim in Antibes, and it is amazing.
Yeah, honestly.
It's really, really nice.
I was thinking, can't really swim, so just stay by the rocks for me at least.
Yeah, it's kind of deep if you get like far out, because there's like over there where there's like the boats and stuff. That's deep, but it's very fun.
All the way
Very
out there.
relaxing. Yeah, basically there's some really nice like photo ops.
Yeah. If you like sandy beach, over there.
Oh yeah, that's like where the sand is.
They also have lockers.
That's like where the crowd, like the biggest crowd is over there.
Yeah.
But yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend. So peaceful, so nice, and it's free. I mean, most beaches in Europe are free, so, but like, you're only ever paying if you're like at a beach club anyways. We decided to spend our only day in Nice at a beach club because we believe it's such a classic experience. We wanted to enjoy the Gatorade blue water, get the beach club vibes, and we truly did. This is a perfect option for a restful day in the Riviera if you're tired of exploring. Hello, Arby! Oh my gosh! He looked so upset! We highly recommend everyone does spend 2 to 3 days in Nice, as we only got to spend 1. And we barely scratched the surface, and Nice is pretty big. And we're back in Nice. We spent the day at Le Negresco Beach. So that famous hotel in Nice called Le Negresco has a beach club, and it's called Le Plage. We're very thankful because we came so late to a reservation. Look at him, he looks so aesthetic. We came very late to a reservation, but they still took us. So. And they were definitely turning down people without reservations, so we thought we were kind of rude, yeah. But the service was incredible, the drinks were incredible, the ocean, I mean, literally just, it's like late. It's late and it's still, what everyone says, the Gatorade blue, it is literally Gatorade blue. But it's quite wavy, so RB didn't really go in too much, but I needed to live out my dream. We have to come back to Nice. Now we're gonna head to the old town and just check it out, have some dessert.
Maybe.
Maybe. We're kind of full, but just check it out. We definitely have to come back to Nice. I feel like the French Riviera is like so beautiful. Like we spent almost like what 5 or 6 days here, but still wasn't enough. And now our trip is coming to an end and we're so upset, but we recommend going to all the places we visited. Top for both of us, I think, was Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, as well as where we stayed, the town called French-Riviera. One thing we did want to say in this video is that we spent our 6 days in the French Riviera and not the Provence side. If you want to do the entirety of the south of France, you need 2 weeks. So please keep that in mind because it's going to be hard otherwise. We did decide to visit the Riviera in September and it was absolutely perfect. You guys have seen all our videos, sunny, beautiful, warm. Thank you so much for watching this video and we are very thankful we got to do this.